Hi everyone and welcome to this new video about Matomo Analytics. In today's session training, we are going to see what are custom reports as a premium feature. So let's start by giving a definition of it. It's a feature of Matomo Analytics which allows you to create any reports that you want by selecting the dimensions of your choice and to cross them with any metrics. Note as well that you have the possibility actually to do as well only reports made of metrics. So let's see now how to put that into practice. Okay, so here we are within the Matomo installation, and as you can see down below on the left, we have one category which is named custom reports. Note that if you are within our cloud, you should see that if you have a business subscription and it's not available actually as an essential package, and if you are using Matomo on premise, actually it's part of a premium feature that you need to acquire through the marketplace. Once you click on it, you will see that you have the possibility to select a custom report that you already created, or you have the possibility to manage some reports. So in our case, we just want to create a new report, and then we go down below and we click on the green button named create a new report. Here we're going to give a name to our report, so let's create a combination which does not exist yet in Matomo Analytics, and we would like to get for example the browser with let's say the browser version, and we would like as well to get the number of visits assigned to each of those browser plus browser version. So give an explicit name here in order for your team to clearly understand what you try to achieve with this given report. So that's why I'm giving it only the name of the dimension and metrics that I would like to get, but just to let you know that you can of course put the name that you want, and then you have the possibility to add a description to your custom report. Then you can decide to which website you're going to allocate the given report. So in my case, I'm going to keep the website by default. You then have the possibility to choose the kind of visualization you would like to get. So if you select a table view report, it means that you're going to play with dimensions and metric. And if you just select evolution, it means that you're going to play only with metrics data. So in our case, as we are playing with some dimensions, so that's the case for the browser and the browser version, we want to keep the table view, and we are going to here select actually the browser, and then we're going to select the browser version. So we're going to pick up here the browser version, and we're going to keep the visits as a metric. And if you would like to know already what does this report look like, you have a button here named preview report, which will give you an overview of what it looks like. And you also have the possibility to add a condition which will filter actually all those data out for you. So let's imagine that you would like to get only let's say the Firefox, for example, browser. What you will do is that you will select here browser, you will wait for the auto completion to be finished, and then you can easily pick up the browser that you wish, or in our case here Firefox, and then you can preview the report and see the given reports created. And once it's done, you just need to select in which category of report you would like the report to appear. So here if you select custom reports, it means that your report will be created here below the custom reports category, but you may have the choice as well to choose another category. So for example, here we are creating a report which mainly deal with the characteristic of the user, so that's why you may be interested in putting it just below the visitors category. So here in our case, for example, we could here select the visitor category, and it's what we're going to do here. So I'm just going to select here the visitors category, and then you have the choice as well to select a subcategory, which means that you're going to assign it to a report. So for example, in my case, if I wish to put it under software, I will see that within the software report. So let's create this report, and don't be surprised if no data are showing up. The reason is that when you create a custom report for the first time, it's gonna wait a couple of hours in order for the data to be processed and to appear. But once your custom report has been created, just to let you know that for the other day where you will play with it, you will see plenty of data. So just to let you know that the first time that you create the custom report, the data need to be processed, and that's the reason why you cannot see them straight away. So here, for example, if I click on visitor and then that I go on software, I will see that my report has been added to this given report. That's what you can see up here, right? Browser plus browser version plus visit, but it's going to take actually a couple of hours in order to appear for the first time here. So if I go back actually to the custom reports, you can see that I have all the different custom reports that I created in the past. So here, typically this is a table view where I can see the page title plus the visit type, and then I can see all the different metrics that I added to this report. But I can also request the view of a report, which is a graph view. So as you can see, those are metric which are plot, and I don't have any dimension, and that's the second type of report that you can create with custom reports. Custom reports is not only about creating the report within this part, it has as well some other huge added value that you can find out when you go on dashboard, because when you create the dashboard, you will see that you have all the widgets which are provided by default, but by adding some custom report, as you can see here, you have the category custom report which is appearing, which means that you can at any time display on the dashboard the custom report that you created. So if, for example, I would like to add this given widget, I can just click on it, and this widget represents a custom report that I previously created. So to make it simple, custom report allows you to really customize the dashboard as much as you want. As well, if you click here on admin, you have the possibility to use the custom report when you are sending an email. So when you schedule a report, you have the possibility to select, of course, all the default report of Matomo, such as the goals, such as the visitors, but you can as well select them within the custom reports category, and then you can easily add them to the PDF document or any other format that you're going to send to your user at a specific time. And as well, just to let you know that custom reports are also supported within Alert, and that's a very good news because it means that you are not now restricted to only one condition up here, but you have the possibility to create a custom report with some condition which are going to be kept for the alerts that you're going to use afterward, and which will help you to send actually some laser alerts somehow, and to be able actually to just be notified when something is happening on your website or on your web app. And that's it for the video of today. So I really hope that you enjoy it. If you would like to practice and to really master this specific feature, the best thing that you can do is already to start and to create your own custom report, and use as well the custom alert and the email report along with the custom report that you just created, and you will see that it's a very, very powerful feature. Thanks for watching.